Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another technique type tutorial. So for today's technique we are going to be doing the half double chainless foundation. So some time ago I did a version of this with the single crochet and now I'm back again with the half double because I've never done it. So what you want to do is start off with a slip knot. Right now I am using this scarfy yarn and I have a 6.5mm crochet hook. So I am just going to chain 2. Sometimes I chain 3, it just depends on my yarn. I'm going to chain 2 this time. And I'm going to yarn over and I am going to insert my hook into that first chain that I created. And I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull up a loop so that I have 3 on my hook. Now, what I'm going to do now is yarn over. Let me focus. Zoom in just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through that first chain, that first loop rather. Then I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through all 3 of the remaining loops on my hook. And that forms a half double crochet. Now what I'm going to do is yarn over again. I'm going to insert my hook into that bottom loop of that half double crochet that we just made. I hope you guys can see that. Right there. I'm going to yarn over, going to pull up a loop, going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through that first loop that was on our hook. We still only have 3 loops on our hook at this point, and we're just going to yarn over and pull through all 3. It's that simple. So I'm going to continue to do this, maybe in slow motion, so that you guys can get your practice in. Alright. Alright, and as you guys can see, I have created this foundation chain with half double crochets, and this is a method that's really good for people who are like me that have tight tension and you know, you tend to have that curling. This actually allows for your foundation row to be relatively looser than it would be if you were to go through the conventional method of chaining your stitches and then working into them. It's also for those people that don't like the mechanics of chaining, because there are quite a few people who do not like to chain or do that foundation row. So this is just a way that you can forego that process as well. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I post crochet tutorials every Sunday at 9:30 a.m. CST. So don't forget to tag into that. I am also on pretty much every social media platform out there except for Snapchat. I don't have time for it, but I do have a little something out there for everybody. All of those media links are linked in the description below. I also have a Teespring and an Etsy store, so don't forget to check that out as well if you want to support the channel even further. And until next time, guys, happy making.